shall be huge and black, and the eyes thereof red with the blood of living creatures. And the whore of Babylon shall ride forth on a three-headed serpent, and throughout the land shall be a great rubbing of pots.
The demon shall bear a nine-bladed sword. Nine-bladed, not 2 or 5 or 7, but 9, which he will wield on all wretched sinners, just like you, sir, there.
And the horn shall be on the head.
Hebediah, his servant, there shall in that time be rumours of things going astray, and there shall be a great confusion as to where things really are. And nobody will really know where lieth those little things with the sort of raffia work base that has an attachment. At this time, a friend shall lose his friend's hammer, and the young shall not know where lieth the things possessed by their fathers that their fathers put there only just the night before, about 8 o'clock. Yea, it is written in the book of Cyril that in that time shall the